Yeah, we killed and ate Mr. Beast. We were in New York. Or the first thing we did was just kill and eat Mr. Beast. Jimmy Donaldson was consumed for literally no reason. Like, there was no purpose in consuming Jimmy Donaldson. Like, we just killed and ate him. Is this Romeo or uniform? This is not uniform, and I don't think this is Romeo. Is this Sierra? It's Romeo. I'm an idiot, and I'm unconfident, and I should die. I don't know what else to say. That was all I remember, really. It was fun. Oh, right, hi. Yeah, I we just fucking killed him. I think I got mine, right? I did, so now we just have uniform one. Ah! 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 Angry Bird notes. Remember last time when I got really scared when I was hill because I hit a rock and I screamed really loudly? It was very not this time, motherfucker. Look at this view. Do I want to do that? Fair enough. Wait a minute. Oh, no, never mind. Alright. Fuck you. Ah! I'm getting my spidey senses tingle. My spidey senses tell me there's bees up here. Fuck. Hey guys. I don't know what that was. I'm getting hit by bees. 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 There's bees! In one of my earlier videos. Ow. In one of my... Nope. Do we recall there was a comment I talked about? Or maybe there wasn't. I don't know if I talked about it or not. Yep. It's really like crackers, Dr. Kel, because we're getting a lot of them, including me. Is that done? That's not started. Alright, sick. I need a subscribe. I'm smart, I remember. I'm having a fun time, Yes, we are. Now we go. We go there. You must be uniform, my dear friend. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Stop that. Give me that. What the fuck is this? Oh, your roof is closed. Come back to that. Yeah, we'll come back to that. I'm panic saving with my mom. Woo! Oh, my vision's blurry. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm fucked. Woo! Oh, wow. Yep, nope. That hit me hard. Alright. That's what I get for snooping. I was trespassing. That's what I get, bro. Ow! Shit. I still bleeding? Give me that, dude. Fucking hell. And now it's exploring time. Fuck. Alright. What do we have? I'm the park ranger. What do we have here? What the fuck is that? That's a log. What do we have going on up here? Alright, I need to see that. I need to see that message. Why is it off screen? Oh my fuck. Oh my god. Oh my fuck. Oh fuck me. No, it's just whatever's out there. Oh my fuck. Oh god damn it. What the fuck? I got blue-ray jeans. Oh my fuck. How much wine do I fucking have? Dude, it's not enough. Give me the shovel. The axe might become my new weapon because A, it feels like that's probably better, and B, it's lighter. Oh my god. I need to take a lap. Fuck. I'm telling you now, in full seriousness, that was the most afraid I've ever been in this game. I'm 99% sure if I go back out there and I touch that head again, it's going to make that same noise every time, and it's just going to be an MP3 file replaying over and over again with nothing else. But still, I don't know what to say. I didn't know you can get into that house. I didn't know you could. I got 200 bucks from that? Breaks wood more efficiently. Yep. Shovel. Used to dig grass. Can use to shovel garbage piles. That's pretty good, I guess. Does the axe do more damage than the crowbar? Or like the same? Because if it does the same, I want to use that because it's funnier to me. Like, what do I even say here? Like, what is there to say? What can I say to you? Like, what can I say to you? Okay, so I think that's ATV, me, and then the camera, right? Can I move the fridge? Is that even possible? Yeah, whatever. Okay. Come on out, you son of a bitch. I'm not afraid of you. He says we're big, very fucking afraid of you. Come on. Okay, the bit's up. What are we doing? Hello? Fuck it. Clear. Clear. The fridge door. I fucking hate you so much. God damn it, dude. God damn it. The fridge. That was it. I thought it was a metaphor or something. No. Fridge doors open, gang. Close that shit. What is that? Why? Why is that so serious? I fucking hate you. You know that? Hate's a strong word, but I got strong feelings, and yeah, I hate you. It's just trees. There's nothing. It's just trees. It's just more trees. It's just fucking trees. Ominous pillar. What are you? Evil pillar. What is this? What's that? What's that? Hazard. Tile. What is that? What even is out here? What is this? What does it all mean? Big hill. Big hill. What's on the big hill? Ominous pillar. Hell yeah. Who fucking did your fencing, dude? This is terrible. Hire me next time. I'll just not put fences there. Because why are there fences to again? These are useless fences. Oh, we're here now. I don't know. Fuck off, you don't see it, forget you will die, these monsters are gonna eat you. Done breathing. Okay. Aye aye, Captain. I didn't see anything. None of you saw anything either. Say a word. Woo! tell you, I don't like that. Isn't that something, or is that... Oh, that's a good scare. Fuck. That's a good one. That's good. That's a good one. I got my props. Whether or not that's intentional or not doesn't matter. That's a good one. Holy shit, that's good. I'll give you that. Fuck. Up. Nope. Okay. That's fine. Oh! Why did I do that? I think it's time to head home. If the concussion tells me anything, I think it's time for us to leave.